How to learn a new language using AI. Are you looking for a convenient and effective way to learn a new language? Artificial intelligence, or AI, can help. In this video, we'll show you how to use AI to learn a new language and improve your skills in a fun and engaging way. Let's get started. The first step is to find a language learning app or website that uses AI technology. These platforms can provide you with personalized recommendations and feedback based on your strengths and weaknesses. Here, I'm using an app that uses AI to personalize my learning experience. Many language learning apps have built-in chatbots or language assistants that can help you practice speaking and listening. These assistants use AI to understand your speech and respond with helpful feedback. Here, I'm practicing my speaking skills with an AI-powered language assistant. Translation tools can help you quickly and accurately translate text or speech in real time. This can be a helpful tool for practicing reading and listening comprehension. Here, I'm using an AI-powered translation tool to read an article in my target language. Many language learning apps use AI to track your progress and provide personalized feedback on areas where you need improvement. This can help you focus on areas that need more practice and improve your overall language skills. Here, I'm checking my progress on an app that uses AI to track my language learning journey. Language exchange apps can connect you with native speakers of the language you're learning. Some of these apps use AI technology to match you with partners who are at a similar level and can provide helpful feedback on your speaking and writing skills. Here, I'm practicing my conversation skills with a native speaker using an AI-powered language exchange app. So there you have it, folks. With the help of AI, you can learn a new language and improve your skills in a fun and engaging way. Don't forget to practice regularly and immerse yourself in the language as much as possible. Thanks for watching and happy learning.